right. I'm doing a smoked salmon salad. Smoked salmon is such a wonderful ingredient. It's so now, it's like a real pungent salmon. Salty, nice salty bite to it. It's really, really good. And gives a salad a nice pop of flavor. But I want to thank the folks at Regal for making this one possible, because I'm actually using some of the seeds that Regal has done. They have done a sunflower seed and a pumpkin seed, very healthy for you. So you can actually use these seeds to kind of complement the salad. When you're eating, your palate kind of like different textures. Textures is an important thing. When you take a bite in your mouth and you get a little green, you get a nice little smoky salmon. I have some tomatoes, you get a little squishiness, and then you get a little bite of some seeds. All that complements a bite and the experience of eating. So you're not just eating for eating's sake, you want to enjoy the experience. Putting together a salad, nice hearty salad. First thing I want to do is salt my greens. So just a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper. So I have a lovely lemon here. Don't know where Marilla got this, but it's so lovely. You just really just want to just sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice, just about a half a lemon. If you have limes, you can use limes as well. And I just kind of want to mix that, toss that together. So these actually, you can use any type of lettuce you have, guys. These actually are some local mixed greens. There's actually some local kale actually in here as well. So really nice supporting local farmers. So I'm doing this salad family style, guys. So I just want to lay this beautiful bed of lettuce like that. Cool. Looks pretty. Yeah. And you eat with your eyes. So I'm not just going to dress this salad. I'm going to go in with some cucumbers. And you really just, I don't like things too perfect. I like it a little rustic. I cook in a rustic kind of style. So I have these cucumbers that I chopped, and I really just want to just sprinkle them liberally all over the salad. Yeah. Tomatoes, color. I love cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes has become one of my favorite things. So you see how the salad kind of coming together and building layer by layer. More color, some red onions. That's purple. The red onions are purple. That just never sits well with me. But this is red onions. Let me call the people onions by what they want it to be called. Look at that. And guys, I now want to add my Regal seeds. So these pumpkin seeds are very, very good for you. Lots of protein and potassium. So I can then take these pumpkin seeds and just kind of liberally sprinkle all over the salad. So you get a nice little crunch with every biteful. That's the pumpkin seeds. And then I have some sunflower seeds as well. Easy open package. Thanks to the folks at Regal, I'm doing sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. My final thing, guys, as I said, at this stage you can use any protein, but I love smoked salmon, and Mom would love this. Finishing touch, just a drizzle of olive oil, so it's a healthy and hearty salad. Serve Mom up this smoked salmon salad, not just on Mother's Day, but throughout the entire month of May.